It's me, Jeff, from my contestant number 14. I'm 22 and I'm from Chinicon Village. I would like to thank each and every one of you for your valuable vote and for your generous support. Please do subscribe to this channel and keep on supporting me. Thank you.